Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the update now. Open Settings and go straight to General Software Update. That's where the download begins. If a large file appears, make sure you're plugged in or at least 50% charged and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Back up to iCloud or to your computer. This protects your data if anything goes wrong. Once the download starts, you may see preparing. Let it finish before attempting anything else and avoid interruptions. Once the update shows, tap Download and install and enter your passcode when asked. This authenticates the process. The download can take minutes to an hour depending on size and connection, so monitor the progress bar on the software update screen. Do not switch networks. After download, you'll be prompted to install now or install tonight. Pick what fits your schedule. During installation, the iPad will restart multiple times. Make sure it stays plugged. After the iPad restarts, go to Settings General About to confirm the new iOS version and check that your app's updated correctly. If the update fails, free up storage, restart the iPad, and retry the download. Many failures are just low space or temporary network hiccups. If problems persist, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to update or restore. Remember to restore from the backup you made earlier, so you don't lose photos or settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.